Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna let you how you can settle up debts. To settle up debts in Splitwise, you can follow this channel steps. First of all, you could go and launch the Splitwise app on your mobile device or access the Splitwise website on your computer. And then you could go and find the group or individual expenses that you want to settle up. This include a specific event, trip, or ongoing arrangement as well. And within the group or expenses, you'll see the balance owned by or each member. You can review these balances to determine who owns money to whom and how much. You could go to look for an option to settle up payback debit debts. These options may be labeled as settle up, payback, or similar, or you could go and tap on these options to initiate the settlement process. Likewise, you could go ahead and choose the payment method you wish to use to settle a debt. Splitwise integrates with popular payment platforms like PayPal, Venmo, and other, allowing you to make payment directly from the app itself. So that's basically how you can settle up the debts in Splitwise. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.